Latest chika, Tito A may mensahe kay Donnie at Belle ngayong maghihiwalay na sila bilang love team. Saad niya, I love Donnie and Belle. Dundle forever. Now is the season to do things individually, to grow individually in your careers, to expand in different directions, and test your boundaries as artists, but still supporting each other quietly or even out loud. Loving couples can be physically apart when it comes to work and projects, but is still very much together because their hearts are bound together that neither time or work can separate.